Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall learn about gas chromatography on the topic of factors affecting resolution. How do increases in both the inner diameter and length of capillary column in gas chromatography GC affect the resolution of volatile compound separation? Alright, so if you have a wider column, so it means that the distance between your stationary phase, which is at the edge here, all around here is your stationary phase, and the center of your column will be increasing. So it means that when your sample will flow is inside here. So sample flow inside here. So most of the sample will not reach the stationary phase. It goes through the column without having interaction with your stationary phase. Therefore, it will lead to a greater analyzed diffusion. So this will end up for you to have a broader peak, as well as it will reduce the resolution. Because the interaction between your sample and your stationary phase is lower, it will cause them to have poorer separation. So, for example, if you have two components with eluting time that is almost the same, so you cannot see the separation. So for those sample with plus minus the same eluting time, the separation will not be as good. Alright, that is what happens if you use column with larger inner diameter. Alright, so what if we change from larger inner diameter to longer length, right? So if you have a longer column, what will happen? So for longer column, so obviously you will have more interaction between the stationary phase and also the sample. So since you have more interaction, it means that it will have better separation. But it will increase the retention time. So it means that, in other words, we can say that it takes longer time for the sample to be eluted out. Therefore, it will need longer analysis time. So it depends. If you have a component that have different, like really different eluting time, you can use a wider diameter column, but if not, it is advisable for you to use a longer column. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.